Today we are going to learn a new poem in Unit 1. In Unit 1.3, the basket full of moonlight. This is the name of the poem, which is composed by Sunil Sharma. This poem is basically in Dogri language. Later, Sunil Sharma has translated it into English. Sunil Sharma is a bilingual poet. He has written 18 books on the children and also published 3 collections of the poetry and a short fiction. He edited a few other books. He was awarded with Destiny of Poet inaugural of the year, and he was also a good critic and essayist. Today we are going to learn this new poem. First of all, I will read the poem from the text on page number 18. Basket full of moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight basketful or 2 basketfuls with the seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to walk. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am asleep. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket of moonlight. I want to sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Let us see what does the poet Sunil Sharma wants to say. The speaker of the poem is a child. What does the child want to say? The child requests the moon to give him moonlight, a basketful or 2 basketful with the seeds of the moonlight. या कवितेमध्ये जो कथानककार आहे, निवेदक आहे, तो मुलगा आहे. तो त्या चांदोमामाला विनंती करतो की मला 1 टोपली भरून किंवा 2 टोपले भरून काय कर, चंद्राचा प्रकाश दे. त्याच्याबरोबर त्याची बियाणं सुद्धा मिळते. नेक्स्ट आन्सर. फ्रॉम द सिटी ऑफ माय विलेज ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द बोथ I want to sow many small moons of light. Here the poet, here a child wants to sow many moons of light on the both side of the path that leads to the village from the city. या स्टान्झामध्ये, कडव्यामध्ये तो बाळ, तो मुलगा अशी इच्छा व्यक्त करतो की त्याला चांदोमामाकडे काय हवं आहे, चंद्रप्रकाशाची बियाणं, की जेणेकरून तो रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही तर्फांना तो चंद्राची बियाणं काय करणार, पेरणार. आणि मग तो जो रस्ता आहे शहरातून गावाकडे जाणार, तो चंद्रप्रकाशांनी आच्छादलेला असेल. द होल village goes to the city daily to work. The whole city means the entire village worker population, the entire workers population of the village. The whole village means what? The entire workers population of the village goes to the city for the daily work in a large extent. मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये गावातून कष्टकरी काम करणारे लोक हे गावातून शहराकडे कामासाठी नियमितपणे जात असतात. So it becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. So he says that when my father returns after work to the village, on the way there is a dark. When he comes to the village, there was a dark and the village is quite far from the city. Next stanza. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. The route that leads from city to village is difficult, so tough and full of snakes and scorpions. And still there is no bus, no cart services available as far as workers commuting from village to city or from village to from city to village. म्हणजे काम करणारे जे लोक आहेत ते जेव्हा शहरातून गावाकडे येतात तेव्हा रस्त्यामध्ये प्रचंड कठीण परिस्थितीचा त्यांना सामना करावा लागतो. खूप साप असतात, विषारी विंचू असतात. या आणखी त्यांना शहरातून गावाकडे जाण्यासाठी, गावातून शहराकडे जाण्यासाठी कोणत्या प्रकारची बस किंवा बैलगाडी यांची सुविधा ही उपलब्ध नाही आहे. When my father returns home, next one, my father returns home, I am asleep. The child says, when my father returns after the work from the city to the village, it was too late. When child asleep and goes back early in the morning while I am asleep. It says that when early in the morning his father goes for work, still the child is sleeping. So the child repeats his request to the moon, please give him a basket of moonlight on load. म्हणून तो जो कवी आहे तो कवी त्या चांदोमामाला काय म्हणतोय, विनंती करतोय पुन्हा की मला काय कर, उसना का होईना एक टोपलीवर चंद्राचा प्रकाश दे. Next answer. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Okay. I want, the childs want to light the dark route so that his father will come home as early as possible. जेणेकरून त्याला जर तो प्रकाश मिळाला तर त्या प्रकाश तो पेरणार, बियाणे त्याची पेरणार आणि त्या प्रकाशामध्ये त्याचे वडील काय करतील, लवकर घरी परततील. And I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Like other childs, इतर मुलांप्रमाणे, the boys also wants, when his father return home early, so he wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. जेव्हा त्याच्या वडील घरी परततील लवकर तर मग त्याला त्याच्या इतर मुलाप्रमाणेच त्याला त्याच्या वडिलांकडनं परिकथा तसंच इतर कथा त्याला ऐकाव्याशा वाटतात. Here the child once again earnestly requests the moon. पुन्हा इथे कडकडीची तो विनंती करतो चांदोमामाला, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The speaker earnestly requests the moon that to give him a basket of moonlight. He wants to sow the seeds of moonlight both the sides of the path. Here the poem ends. Thank you very much.